Hey guys, welcome to Online Manager. So today in this video we'll be talking about remote jobs and how you will be getting it and all the pros and cons of it. Now I'll be introducing a website where you can actually earn money as a remote worker. So today we'll be talking about remote.co. It's a website where you can actually get a lot of virtual assistant jobs and also more remote jobs from accounting or marketing or writing, IT sector, HR, healthcare, design, developer, data entry jobs, customer service, and lots more. Tell me some X and Y job categories that you want to find. It's here. So there are so many job categories. You can search it according to your field, or you can search it according to the job type or location, time, whatever it is. Like you have a search tab where you can actually search for your jobs. Now it's also important for me to tell you both the pros and cons of this website, because just tell me whether it is something there existing in this world without its own disadvantages. So I think there is disadvantage. Everything has its own disadvantage. So I'll be discovering about this one later in this video. So the second half will be on that, the all the advantages and the disadvantages. Now, as I have told you, whatever category you are looking for or whatever type of job you are looking for, you can search it in the search bar, and similar type of jobs will be available. And I'm not promoting any job here listed here. Like I'm not promoting it. I'm just showing you how it is available and how you can search for. And moreover, about the payment and those stuff, it will be most probably you will be contacting with the employer after you are successfully invited and interviewed. You will be talking about all those stuff, so it will not be listed here. The payment will vary upon the job category and the type of job you're choosing and from where you're choosing. Now I'll also be exploring more about this website, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. So now this is very similar to how other job portals are also looking like. The interface is literally same. I don't find it so different. I have also posted another video on remote jobs, how to get it, and a different website. You can check it out. It will be in the cards above now or in the description box below. You can check that video also if you are interested in getting a remote job. So yeah, choosing a category here will also be giving you a lot of data entry jobs. Like I have chosen data entry, so it's showing me some important companies that are recruiting data entry workers, like currently now. So it gives you all the information on how many hours your work will be and what are all the responsibilities that you have and what all work you will be doing that will be covered in the responsibilities, and also the qualification that is required for this one. Now you can apply here. You have to give a good resume in order to get qualified for it. And then talking about the subscription plans, this website also has a subscription plan which varies from $19 to $25. It is up to you to get a subscription plan, because I think the free plan itself is satisfactory, because you can get a job from your free plan. It shows a lot of jobs, so I think it's satisfactory. But then you can opt for the paid plans, which will give you some like if you don't get invitations in free plan, you might get it in your paid subscription plan, because it boosts your resume. So that's how it is going to be helping you out. That's up to you. Like I don't have any concrete opinion on it. Then about the cons of this website, I have to tell you that the important and the major thing that I think is some jobs that are listed as remote aren't actually remote, because I have seen jobs that actually posted as remote, but then it will be based upon the location that they have actually given there. Some are tagged with some locations which may come up in the remote filter, but then I don't think so. Like they are recruiting for that specific location only. So another cons that I feel is that the search filter is like, it's so basic. Like it isn't having any advanced filter search. Like you cannot search according to the timing, like the standard timing that you are following. Like I cannot see any IST or EST or any filter that is possible for me to search according to my location time, and also majorly the location I'm not able to search according to it. So apart from it, this is a good website. You can search and you will be ending up with some remote job, like what you are searching upon. That depends upon what you search and how the demand is, and also how much responsive time the company takes. So it all up to you guys. You can try, and if you have any doubts, do comment it below. I will make sure I answer it as soon as possible. And if you have any recommendations or any request, you can post it in the comments. I will also look upon it, and I will also make improvements in our future videos. Meet you all in the next video, guys. So until then, bye and thank you.